Flippity flip time. Looking good. Well, what I got today is some bone-in chicken breasts. They was on sale at the store. I got one pack for $4.11 and one pack for $3.99. Roughly, 198 a pound. So what we gonna do, we gonna smoke them up, or you grill them, throw them in the frying pan, throw them in the oven, whatever you want to do. So what I'm gonna do is make a nice easy brine to do all the heavy lifting for me. You know what I'm saying? And we gonna make this so tender, so juicy. You just gonna want to make it all the time, and whew, I can't wait. All right, let's get ready to make this brine and get ready to get to smoking and get some good eating going. All right, let's get this going. So we're gonna do 8 quarts of water. I got 4 quarts right here. So I'm gonna go real quick and grab another 4 quarts. We just do a cup. 8 ounces. 1 cup of vinegar. All right, let's go ahead and get this diamond crystal kosher salt up in here. Boom, 1/3 cup of salt. We're gonna do 1/3 cup of sugar. 6 cloves of garlic. I got about a tablespoon of peppercorns, and that's it. Let's go ahead and let it simmer and come up to a boil. All right, this is almost ready. We ain't going too crazy with it. You don't need to be like a super boil. As soon as you start seeing it ready to simmer, you just want the salt and sugar to be all melted down together in the brine. Half a gallon of water, about 10 minutes. All right, so after this, y'all, let it cool all the way down. I mean, all the way down. Let it cool. Go do some vacuuming, do some other house chores. Run to the stove or whatever you gotta do. Let it cool all the way down, and then we get to the next step. All right, folks, we took it out of the brine. It has been brining for 16 hours, a long overnight brine. So we're not gonna rinse it off. We're just gonna dry it off because we still just want the flavor to sink in on here. Because we didn't do like a super heavy brine. Like we didn't use like a whole like half a cup or a cup of salt like we see some other people do. You wanted to leave enough room for us to add like our own little like low sodium rub, just to give it a little extra flavor and help it out just a little bit, and not just let the brine just totally take over. So what I did, I made up like a KFC copycat rub that I got off of Google. I just Googled it and said, hey, I need a KFC rub. And I didn't put no salt in it. So I just used all the herbs and spices. We're gonna see how it come out, y'all. Get this baby dry because we want the skin nice and crispy on here. Get some olive oil on here. Get your hands up in there. Skin on bone-in chicken breast. Sometimes you just get a taste for biting on some skin on some chicken breast. All right, that's it. All right, folks, gonna let this hang out for a while. Go ahead and fire up the smoker, and then we're gonna get this grilling. All right, it's time to put these chicken breasts on here. We got this thing hot, y'all, 400 degrees. We're gonna go fat side down first. You hear that sizzle? The flame is going already. Woo! All right, let's let it do its thing. We'll go ahead and flip it in about, these small chicken breasts are about 20 minutes. Flippity flip time. Looking good. Let's see how they temping. This one here is over temping, so it's at 165 already. Take that off. These only got about 5 minutes. Yeah, 150. All right, see what we at. All right, they're ready to come out. That's it. Let's go inside and eat. Oh man, that looks so good. Let me grab a little piece of that skin. Oh man. Ooh. Skin is right, man. Come on. That's how we looking. We done. Let's see. That flavor is incredible. Tell y'all this. Brining is worth the trouble. Super tasty. Y'all saw we was rocking. We did these at 350. 350 on the smoker. Post oak wood. Did that little KFC copycat rub on there. It was already got enough salt and sugar in there from the brine. It's hitting just right. Check this out, y'all. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to catch y'all on the next one. I'm about to get my grub on when it's bone in like this, y'all. I like to just eat it like this. Whew. Peace.